I want to say happy Thanksgiving to you today. I want to say happy Thanksgiving today. Happy Thanksgiving, y'all. I hope y'all are with y'all families. I hope everyone is well. I hope everyone is blessed. I hope everyone is just being thankful for what we have and be thankful for what we don't have. But anyway, y'all, so y'all know, and if you don't know, I stay alone. My kids stay out of town. I got one in Florida and two in I got one in Florida and two in VA. So I had to work today, so I wasn't able to go to be with my children or my grandkids. But hopefully we will get to be together on Christmas. But it ain't no big deal. Today is just like a normal day. We just give thanks to God for what we have and eat a big meal. But with that being said, my job looked out for you, girl. I still got to be able to have me a nice meal, so I'm gonna show y'all what I got. Okay. All right. So this is my little spread here, and it's just me here. So right here I got candy yams. I got, what's that, broccoli and cheese casserole. Then I got macaroni and cheese in that plate. And this plate I have ham, turkey, and string bean casserole. And then this one I got collard greens, some more broccoli and cheese casserole, and some more macaroni. Then I got cornbread. I got a choice of cornbread. I got biscuits. I got apple cake, and I got a little gravy, and I got me a cup of lemonade. So with that being said, y'all, I'm happy. I'm gonna go in my room. I just got off work. I'm gonna fix me a plate and go upstairs and enjoy my Thanksgiving. I already talked to my kids and my nephew. I might talk to them again before tonight's over. But yeah, y'all, I'm happy. At first I was a little sad, but I had to think and be like, girl, what you sad for? You got food to eat. You are blessed. You are well. You got a job. You got a roof over your head. Like, cut this shit out. Cut it out. So I'm happy, y'all. So with that being said, y'all, I love y'all. Y'all have a good Thanksgiving. And don't eat too much turkey and ham. But y'all, I'm about to smash. After I eat, I don't know. You know how we get the itis after we finish eating. I probably take a little nap. But anyway, I'm just going to chill out today. Watch some watch some TV, But yeah, that's all. Relax. So y'all, I love y'all. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do right now before you leave. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know how you like my video. Leave me a comment. If you want to tell me something, you want to, I don't know, whatever. Just leave it in the comments, okay? And yeah, y'all. So like I always tell y'all, be compassionate, be kind to one another, give people compliments, and just be thankful. All right, I love y'all. Bye.